Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice unsticky. First, let's talk about rinsing. Rinsing your rice thoroughly under cold water is a crucial initial step. This action washes away the surface starch, which is the primary culprit behind sticky rice. Continue rinsing until the water runs completely clear, typically requiring 3 to 4 changes of water. This simple preparation ensures your rice grains will separate beautifully during cooking. Next, achieving the correct water-to-rice ratio is absolutely essential for unsticky rice. A common guideline is to use 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. This precise measurement prevents your rice from becoming either too mushy or too dry. Accurate measurement ensures each grain absorbs just the right amount of liquid, leading to perfectly separated, tender rice every time. Now let's discuss the cooking process itself. After bringing your rice and water to a boil, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer gently for about 18 minutes. Resist the urge to lift the lid. Once cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is vital for steam redistribution, ensuring perfectly fluffy, unsticky grains. Finally, the last step to achieving truly unsticky rice is proper fluffing. Once the resting period is complete, gently fluff the rice with a fork. This action separates the individual grains without crushing them or releasing additional starch. Avoid using a spoon or stirring vigorously, as this can lead to stickiness. Your beautifully prepared, unsticky rice is now ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.